Hi, today I would like to show you a brand new app that pays you $120 per hour. Yeah, this is true. This is the easiest way to earn money online that I'm going to show you the strategy in this video. You just have to watch till the end for that. But before that, welcome to my channel Moneyhorn. Hi, this is Jash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. So, okay, how you can get $120 per hour, or you can just earn even more money with these apps that I'm going to show you. It's a new app, but you may heard it already. It's working sometimes now, and it's called G2.com. Yes, you may heard it already or you may not, but this is the great way that I'm going to show you in this video, the strategy by which you can use this website and earn more than $120 per hour. This is really awesome. All you have to do, just stay with me, listen carefully, and do as I ask you to do. So all you have to do is just go over to g2.com. You can see that this is a software review site. This is a really good site that all over the world, companies, different type of companies all around the world are asking for software reviews, and G2 is going to make deal with them so that G2 users can review those softwares of those companies, and those companies can further improve, develop, or modify those softwares and bug fixes those softwares so that they can make them better for users and release it in the world. So this is the best way, the better cause to start working, and you do good things and earn money online as well. So you go over to the software, you can see that they have most popular branded software all listed, thousands of software that are listed into g2.com, and you can see that they have lots of software in various categories like project management, video conferencing, e-commerce, marketing, accounting, CRM, expense management, ERP systems, and online backup, and many more categories of softwares and thousands of softwares that you can leave review, and you can just say your honest review. You can just give it 1 star to 5 star. It's your choice, but for that honest review and opinions about that software, you are going to make money, and you're going to make good amount of money that I'm going to reveal you today. You just scroll down and follow exactly what I say. If you don't follow it, you cannot make any money with this. So all you have to do, just go over to their using software and write a review, and you can see that they have 5 million monthly buyers on G2 make the right choices for their businesses. So these are the companies that you need to help and make things better for this, and for in that process you are making money. So all you have to do, just go over to write a review and click this write a review button here, and it will show something like this. This is a 4-step process to write a review for any software in g2.com. This is, first you have to select a category that you want to review, and then you just leave the review of that software from that category, and then you share it on LinkedIn account is required, and it's a very easy to have a LinkedIn account, and most people already have LinkedIn as well. So definitely that is not a problem or not a big deal. All you have to do, just share it on LinkedIn, and then you complete by finishing the job, and your review going to get accepted by G2. So how you can get it done? You can just select any category you want. You can, even they have advertising, HR, marketing, e-commerce, sales, business opportunities, software development, many more, finance, information technology, media communication, you name it. Many categories that you have here I choose e-commerce and retail. So I click on it and it shows me all the e-commerce related softwares right here. And I have already you just scroll through the list and you can see that all the softwares that are related to e-commerce are listed here. So for this video purpose, I have selected Dropbox to review. So if you just scroll down here and the Dropbox, and you can select by clicking Dropbox, and you see that it listed in the right side. You can choose multiple software to review in one go, but I choose Dropbox for this video purpose only. So I select it and hit the continue button here. If I click on continue, it will show something like this, and it's just selected and it's asking for me to write a short review on one of the products you choose. So this is the product that I have chosen and it has a review button. So if I click on review, it will show something like this. That is asking for me to create an account. If I don't have, or if I already have an account, I can just sign in or log in and do the review for my selected applications. So all you have to do, if you are new, you definitely need to sign up here. All you have to do is just hit the continue to log in button here and it will show something like this. You just can create an account or sign in with G2 by using your LinkedIn. As you already have LinkedIn, you require LinkedIn account to work with G2 definitely. So you can sign in with LinkedIn account. You can also use your Google business account, and also if you have an email, then you can just click on business email and input your email here and hit next and fill in some simple name, passwords, fields and hit submit, and you're good to go with the registrations. G2 then going to send you an email for confirmations. You go over to your email account and open that email and hit the link so that you can confirm your email account with g2.com. So in the next phase, when you confirm your email account, it will show something like this. So it's asking for your review about Dropbox to submit into g2.com. So all you have to do is just go over there. You can see that it's asking how likely is it that you would recommend Dropbox to your friend or colleagues. So I choose 9 or 10. This is a really good site, good apps that people need to have if they do not, and it's really awesome. Dropbox is a top tier file storage application, that cloud storage applications that people use all around the world. So this is, I recommend, I choose 10 for this video purpose. Then it's asking for a title for your review and what do you like best, what do you dislike, and so on. There are some lots of fields, but believe me, these are all very easy to fill up. It just write some sentence and just click some buttons and you're good to go. But the first 3 or 4 field here, the title, what you like best, what you dislike, and what problem you're solving with Dropbox, your overall opinion about it. So these 4 boxes are very important for this review. If you want your review to get accepted by G2 and get payment, these 4 text needs to be very good. So if you are not a tech person, it's what to do then? You can't earn money from there? Definitely you are. If you have a PC, you use software, right? So you can write a review about it. This is it all once. It's all required. You just know basic English. You write it in your own words, what you like that software and what you dislike about that software, and that's it. You can earn money. So anyway, if you even don't use that software or you know nothing about it, you can definitely do that. And I just follow my tips that you can use right away and you can write a good review with it. So what's the catch here? So if you want to know more about Dropbox, or you want to know more about how write a good review about it or how people review it, you can see that as well. So all you have to do, just go over to google.com and search for like Dropbox review g2.com and hit enter, and you will see all the reviews. In the first link, first result it shows, you just click on that link and it will show go into the g2.com Dropbox review site, where people are reviewing. All the reviews about Dropbox are listed here, and it's already briefly explained what this software is, what it does, what is the functionality, what is the review and rating it's getting. And see, people are reviewing video reviews about the software. You can play those videos and see how people review it, what people thinks about the software, and you can take good idea about it to write your review. And if you scroll down below, you can see some text written reviews. All the peoples that have reviewed these softwares are listed here. You can click on show more. You can see that all those important text box fields are shown up here that you need most. So all you have to do, this is the title of the review, this is the title. You can read it and get some ideas what your titles should be, and you can read their what they like best about it, what they dislike about that software, and you can write it in your words. You can get some good ideas. So for this video purpose, you can see I written best cloud storage software recommended. So this is my title for this review. I just get an idea and I read through some of the goods and bad things about it that people noted in their reviews. So I get some ideas and lights written some text, some sentence, 1 or 2 sentences like this. Dropbox is by far the best seamless way to save files, document, videos, and photos online. It is also convenient to share any digital files or media with anyone without having any storage device like an USB drive. So this is something that I get idea from these reviews by reading it. And then what I dislike, I just write the free version of Dropbox only giving 2 GB of cloud data, which in my opinion is not sufficient. Also, if you use multiple devices, then sometimes when uploading files, it gets into an annoying upload loop. So this is the idea, some ideas that I just get from reading these reviews and write it in my words. And you can write much more things about it. If you read more, you will get more ideas. 1 or 2 sentences, it's enough to write, but you can write more. You write, there's a greater chance you get accepted by G2 and earn money. So you write all those opinions about the software, about how it works, what's the pros and what's the cons, and what you want it to write. And then just fill up these forms. You just read it and answer those questions. It's very easy. And you scroll down below and you can see that they're asking for to confirm and agree and certify that it's your own opinion, own experience, own genuine opinion about the software that you have written above. And that's it. You just check mark that I agree with the statement and you hit submit. And then it's going to go to the g2.com for review, and G2 will review it. And if you get accepted, it definitely, if you write a good review, there is a better chance you get accepted by them. And for those 5 minutes of work, you can earn $10 for that review, and more. They can pay up to $20. So for 5 minutes, even $10, you just earning $120 per hour. This is a really cool way to start making money right now. And all you have to do, just follow my instructions step by step. Just do reviews over and over again. Go over to the categories, select another categories, select another software, and write a review, write a good review about it here and submit it. The more task you do, there's a greater chance more work will be accepted by G2 and you will earn even more money. Not $100, you can earn even $1,000 per day just using G2 reviews. And this is it, guys. You all have to be active. If you really want to make money online, you have to be active. Money will follow you then. If you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.